In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a snap to everyone at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then just take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture of my keyboard. We don't need to send this picture to anyone. It is necessary to take a picture to set everything up. So now I'm gonna hit add send to. And then normally to send the picture to all our friends, we just need to select all of them one by one in that way. If you have a lot of friends, it can take much time. However, if you create a shortcut, you will be able to send a snap to everyone at once. And now I'm gonna show you how to do that. To create a shortcut, tap right here at this plus, then select new shortcut. It will open up the list of all your friends, and then you need to select all of them at once. You need to do it just once to create a shortcut, and then you will be able to send a snap to everyone just by selecting that shortcut. Perfect. Now we need to tap right here. Once all the friends are selected, we need to tap right here where it says choose emoji. Then switch to emojis and select an emoji for our shortcut. I'm just gonna select that one. Then hit add create shortcut, and the shortcut will appear right over here, and also at this toolbar at the top. And then to send a snap to everyone at once, we just let me first deselect all of my selected contacts, and then once we tap at the shortcut, we'll be taken to the step where we can select all of these users from this shortcut at once by hitting right here at select. 33 users were selected by one click, and then we can tap right here to send a snap to all the selected users. That's how it's done, guys. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.